Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see kung ano yung energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances, ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see what's the energy for Virgos. Kaperahan. Compassion. This is your love and support sa trabaho, career mo, kung ano man yung mga choices mo sa buhay. It's like, minamahal mo, you are loving your job. Di ba? At yung sinasabi na everyday sasabihin mo, I love my job, I love my job. Yes, security. I think yung some of you, Virgo, sa inyo importante na meron kayong career, trabaho, business na nagbibigay ng financial security sa inyo. Kasi you can have a job or a business pero parang ano lang, just so-so lang, no? Mid lang. But for some of you, you will focus on a business career na magbibigay sa inyo ng financial stability. Mm-mm. And also, meron ding support all around you. Maaring you are supportive, supportive ka sa grupo na kinabibilangan mo, career path, or there are also community that are supporting you sa career mo, sa mga goals mo. Overall energy, the Four of Swords. So this is recovery. So kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng financial struggle in the past, ngayong September, ito na yung time na makaka-recover na kayo. Mas magaan ang inyong pakiramdam ngayon. I think because of the support, no, ng mga taong anong tawag nito? Mga taong naniniwala sa iyong kakayanan, kaya sinusuportahan ka. Now, your challenge is full moon. Uy, kakaroon tayo ng full moon ngayong August 28 nga ata yan. But anyway, maaring ang challenge sa iyo ay yung resulta ng mga nasimulan mo. So, you really have to be more patient doon sa mga projects, trabaho, or business na nasimulan mo kasi meron niyang kanya-kanyang harvest time. And you have to be willing to wait. Now, your opportunity is the Eight of Cups. This is walking away from a situation na hindi na nagsuserve ng purpose mo or hindi ka na fulfilled. So, for some of you, if you are not secure in the career na napili mo, you will have the courage na magkakaroon ka ng lakas ng loob na umalis dyan para i-pursue kung ano yung talagang gusto mo. Okay? And then the blessing is the Six of Wands. Wow, this is really wonderful. Jupiter in Leo. Victory. Ayan, oh. Ito yung blessing after the hard work na you put in, no? The work that you put in to your job, your career. So definitely, ito yung sinasabi ko, kailangan maging patient ka dahil darating din naman yung resulta ng mga efforts mo. So some of you, maaring merong major celebration, yung iba kayo ay may promotion or you will be recognized sa inyong field, area of expertise, ganyan. Okay, you are meant to be successful. O, di ba? You are meant to be successful ngayon, especially ngayong September, Virgo. The people you are always with influence your future. Yes. So, kailangan piliin mo yung mga taong lagi mo nakakasama kasi malaki yung impluensya niyan sa'yo. And also, you will learn from others. And pagpapatuloy mo yung iyong pag-aaral. When I say pag-aaral, hindi mo naman kailangang naka-enroll sa isang school para mag-aral. This can be you are doing your own research, improving your skills, 'di ba? Entrepreneurial spirit. Some of you Virgo, ito yung gusto nyong gawin, na lalo na kung wala pa kayong negosyo. You want to be that person na merong negosyo na minamanage, something that is related to your passion. And another thing, mag-i-invest ka. So, I think ito yung isa sa pag-aaralan mo rin, yung iba't ibang paraan para makapag-invest ka ng iyong pera. Let your money work for you. The universe is calling you to notice important synchronicities. So, meron mga synchronicities na papakita sa'yo, repeating numbers, or yung mga mapapansin mo mga signs na maaring ito ay messages regarding your career or business, kung ikaw man ay may mga decision making na gagawin. Because you will re-evaluate your priorities. May ile-let go ka na hindi mo na kailangan. O, diba? I think that is part of the opportunity na you will walk away or let go of a situation na hindi na nag-align sa iyong purpose. So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.